Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today we have great news for OnePlus users. That is OnePlus 6, OnePlus 60, OnePlus 7, OnePlus 7 Pro, and OnePlus Nord especially. And we also have some good news regarding one of the new games which are getting launched. So watch till the end, that's a bonus news for you. So let's start. What's the news about? Android 11 is finally coming for OnePlus Nord. Not only OnePlus Nord, OnePlus 7, 7 Pro, 7T, 6 and 6T also. So when is it coming out? At last OnePlus has gone ahead and listened to us after complaining for such a long time. They have listened to us for OnePlus Nord because it was launched in 2020 with no Android 11 yet. They did give a security patch in December and now they are going to roll out the beta version. It's an open beta for Android 11 next week. And what in the community they have stated is once the beta version starts getting rolled out for Android 11 for OnePlus Nord, they'll be checking all the bugs and they'll be fixing it and they'll be launching the stable version very soon. So at last we are getting the OnePlus open beta version for Android 11. So let's see what happens there. And the second news about 7 and 7 Pro, 7T, those models. What they're told is it might be taking a time till about February for them to open the versions for them. That's Android 11 versions for them. So we'll be getting that in about February's time mostly. And followed by that would be OnePlus 6 and 6T. So the news started with Android 11 for Nord, which they are launching it anyhow. So after 8 Pro and 8, Nord is the first phone to receive the Android 11 update. I hope they fix all the bugs with the open source, whatever open beta what they are releasing, and they give a stable Android soon for us, Android 11. And we do know that they have various features in Android 11 like always on display. They are going a little bit slighter away from the stock Android. The Oxygen OS is going a little bit away from them, but let's see what are the changes which are happening. But I guess they do have some better display of bug fixes and better software optimization in the Android 11 according to the Oxygen OS. So let's wait. Be following the community for the next week for this because anytime they can release the open beta. If you do want to go ahead and try the open beta, do go ahead and try that. Or if you want to wait for the stable version, do wait for that also. It's up to you. It's according to your own technical knowledge how you can go ahead and do that. And now about the gaming news which I had promised you. Okay, this gaming news is about 4G. Okay, everybody has pre-registered, more than 1 billion registrations, Google Play. But where's the game? When is it going to get launched? Today, they announced that 4G will be releasing on Republic Day, that is 26th of January 2021 in India. And 4G will be releasing as of then. And let's see how good it is compared to PUBG and other online platforms like example we have PUBG, we have Call of Duty. Let's see how good 4G is gonna be. This is all based in Galvan Valley fights with our own army officers in the game. So let's see how we go ahead and how they are going ahead and design this. And there was one more bonus news as I told you, like this regarding the Jiophone 3. It has come into the market and it comes around from $1,499 to $1,999 I think. Let me see if I can get a hand on that. But the only backdraw what I see in that is it has an Exynos chip. Because of which most of us do not like Samsung phones also. Because for India, Exynos chip is like no. Because of which no one buys Samsung over here much, which has an Exynos chip in it. So let's see how it goes also over there. Until next time, if you do like the video, please like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. That would be awesome. And until next time, you have a wonderful day and a very happy new year for you.